Everyone. Today's date is July 26, 2016, Tuesday. And on the screen, I've got dollar yen, same chart I talked about in last night's video. And what a move up! What a move to the upside. I'm hoping some of you guys have been making a bunch of money with these videos. But off of that 200 MA that I talked about in last night's video, 4-hour chart again. 4-hour time frame. So far, this thing has moved up about 200 pips or so. All right, so really nice move up up on the pair. I actually took my profit already, so I'm out of this trade. And if you look at the daily, we are engulfing this candle here, the previous day's candle. Really strong move to the upside. There is an FOMC announcement tomorrow, so be careful with that, as I mentioned in last night's video. But really nice trade there. Maybe overnight this thing will cool off a bit, but on the 1-hour time frame, we are above all moving averages now. Let's see here. You could say there's a little trend line there, maybe something like that. Just try and connect all the pivots here, little pivot here, a little tail there, here. So who knows? Maybe overnight, like I said, this thing will retrace back, but really strong move. In fact, it's still going up. So I'll leave that one alone. I do want to talk about one more pair, a new one, and that is dollar CAD, USD CAD. I really like this trade here. A potential short at around 132.81 or 133 maybe, even number 132.99 here at the 200-day moving average. And I'll explain to you guys where I'm getting my levels here. So I think first I'll start off with the monthly time frame. And real simple, I pulled my Fibonacci retrace from this high on the month of January 2016 to the low of this candle here from, let's see here, November 1st, 2007, high to low. And you could see here, which is a 618 retrace. Now let's look at a daily time frame, just a better view. There's that 618 level right there that we looked at on the monthly chart. Really nice bounce off of that. And of course, we've got this wedge pattern here that looks like we just broke out of, but I'm not really interested in that, so I'll get rid of that. So like I said, I'm interested up in this level here, 132.81, 133 maybe. We're a couple pips away from that, let's see, we're at 131. I want it at 133. But yeah, that being the 7.5 retrace on the monthly time frame. All right. So again, high to low, 618. That's where we bounced, and we are moving up into our next Fibonacci level. Now ignore that. All right. Let's say you don't like to look at big time frames like that. Even if you look at a shorter time frame here. Now I'm looking at a daily chart. All right. Once again, high to low, and look at that, 133.11. And what is that? That's the 382 retrace. So again, to me, that's three reasons why I like this on the short side. On the daily, 200 MA, and on the fibs, I'm looking at a 382 retrace or a 7.5 if you're looking at a larger time frame like I showed you on the monthly time frame. Now on the weekly, I do like this also. Let's go ahead and get rid of that. On the weekly, there it is right there. Price is moving right into that 50-day moving average, that red line that you see here. And that stands at 132.85, all right? 132.85. So I don't have an exact level that I like it at, but you guys know what area I'm looking at. All right. So that's the weekly. Back to the daily. So there it is. I'll go ahead and mark that on the chart, and I'll leave that up. I'll use the daily for now. So there it is, 133.17. The daily gives you a higher price than the 200 MA, but like I said, anywhere in this range here, 200 MA or that 382 retrace. All right. Cool. That's all I had. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Feel free to email me if you have any questions. I will provide my email in the video description. All right, guys. Have a good night.